how to create Credit Karma account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can sign up on Credit Karma. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your browser. So if you're on your mobile device, you can open up Google Chrome in your device, and in the search bar type in creditkarma.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to create account, as you can see at the top right corner with a login option, there is sign up option. So in order to create account, tap on sign up. That's gonna take you to the sign up portal. Now first of all, you have to enter your email address, then provide or create a password. Once you're done creating your password and providing your email address, tap on sign in button, and in the next interface, if prompted, you may be asked to enter your other personal information such as your full name, date of birth, home address, and other information such as social security number. So if you're asked, make sure that you provide the correct information. This will help Credit Karma verify your identity, but if not, you could simply create an account with your email address and password. So once done, tap on sign up button, and if you're asked with other few security questions, you can answer those questions to confirm that it's really you. And once you have viewed and accepted the terms and conditions, simply tap on create account and you're all set. Now you can check your free credit scores and reports anytime, get alerts, and use tools to improve your credit. And that's how you can create account on Credit Karma. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe for more other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.